How to fix developer option missing on Android. So first of all, you need to enable developer option against. Developer option is hidden by default. You need to manually enable it. To do that, open settings on your Android device. Then you need to scroll down and now check for about device and tap to open it. So it depends on your phone model, which option name it is given. Now tap on version and now find build number. It may be under version or software information. Now you need to simply tap build number 7 times quickly until you see you are now a developer. You may need to enter your PIN or password as well. Now check if developer option is available on your settings. So you can check to the additional settings and now navigate to the bottom and here you got the developer option. But if this doesn't work for you, you need to check in the right location. On some Android version, developer option may be located in different places. So you can go ahead to settings, additional settings, and then developer options. On other devices, it might be on settings, the system option, and developer options. Or on some of older version, it may be on about phone section. So if developer option is still missing after enabling it, you can try restarting your phone. This can refresh the system settings. Hold the power button on your device and swipe towards restart. And by following this all the steps, you can easily fix if developer option is not showing on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.